if I told you that UAE could become one of the biggest cricket ecosystems outside of India in the next 10 years, would you agree?
Yes, because it has the infrastructure. When I say infrastructure, it has terrific facilities like Dubai Cricket Stadium, the ICC Academy, the iconic Sharjah Stadium, the Abu Dhabi Stadium. There are grounds in Oval. We have the infrastructure.
Yeah.
We have the talent. It's just about how they are groomed and guided.
And do you feel like because in India, cricket is a religion? And यहाँ पे also there are a lot of Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, we all breathe cricket. So do you think that also plays a role in the fact that there is talent which is hidden here?
Yes. India is a huge population. Here we are talking about a population of 10 million, out of which probably maximum 2 to 3 million, which is Indians, Pakistanis and Sri Lankans. So there is a population.
Yeah.
And there is that passion for cricket. But again, how much of the vision every parent has or every child has to become a cricketer? They all love cricket, but Khali, you want to go an academy and just pass out of it and then do a job?
Yeah.
Or do you want to become a cricketer?
Right.
India, में a lot of people, after seeing the likes of Kohlis, the Sachin Tendulkars, the Dhonis, or in Pakistan, we're talking about the Javed Miandad or the Imran Khan or the Babar Azam, they all want to become cricketers.
Yeah.
This part of the world, who is their hero? Maybe they have an Indian hero, maybe they have a Pakistani hero. So if that vision is there, उसको पाने के लिए बहुत मेहनत चाहिए और बहुत विजन चाहिए.
Right.
यहाँ पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, टैलेंट भी है, और वो टैलेंट को नरिश करना बहुत जरूरी है.
Actually, this brings me to my next point कि इंडिया में बहुत young age से you see people picking up a bat and ball. In this part of the world, schools में क्या cricket as a co-curricular activity offer की जाती है students को?
I remember when my children were growing,
Yeah.
they were holding a bat at the age of 5. But मैंने इतना time नहीं दिया. That's my mistake. My
Right.
children loved cricket. But it's all about the child and the parent getting together and having that vision that I want to make my child become a cricketer. उसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. And India is a huge population.
Yeah.
1.5 billion population में 15 क्रिकेटर सिलेक्ट किए जाते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट खेलने के. So you really have to be talented.
Yeah.
टैलेंट के साथ बहुत सारा मेहनत लगता है और लक चाहिए और हैंड ऑफ गॉड चाहिए.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे अगर आप टैलेंटेड भी हो, उसमें अगर आप सिलेक्ट नहीं हुए, फिर कुछ नहीं कर
कुछ
सकते.
नहीं कर सकते. एक और डिफरेंस है शायद कि आपने बोला योर किड्स वर इंटरेस्टेड इन क्रिकेट. यू डिडंट पे एज मच अटेंशन बट आल्सो यू वर बिजी.
I was not busy. I was actually busy in my own personal cricket. तो उस पे मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. But शायद ध्यान देता. Who knows? Azhar could have been a better cricketer because at that time I still remember he could hit the ball well.
Yeah.
But मैं अपने क्रिकेट में बिजी था. अपनी
Right.
टीम लेके बिजी था, तो मैंने बहुत टाइम नहीं दिया. तो मुझे इस बात का अफसोस है, बहुत
Right.
बड़ा अफसोस है.
बट एट द सेम टाइम डोंट यू थिंक कि मोहल्ले में अगर 10 बच्चे और हैं जो क्रिकेट खेलते हैं तो बच्चे अपने आप खेलने लग जाते हैं, वो प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है. दिस इज समथिंग दैट मे बी मिसिंग इन दुबई एज कम्पेयर टू इंडिया.
Yes, it does miss because यहाँ पे अकेडमीज है, लोग जाते हैं प्रैक्टिस के लिए.
या
मैं भी मेरे बच्चों को लेके जाता था, but I didn't continue it and did not keep the consistency.
बट व्हेन यू वर यंग यू प्रोबब्ली यूज्ड टू प्ले गली क्रिकेट.
Because at that time वो मोहल्ले में बच्चे थे, जैसे तुमने कहा,
Yeah.
ग्राउंड फैसिलिटीज थी. यहाँ पे वो फैसिलिटीज है बट एट पर्टिकुलर एरियाज.
Correct. So the kids are very dependent on the parents to get them there.
Yep.
Right? So you think parents should be more involved in seeing their kids' hobbies?
If they see that,
Yeah.
you know, little bit of passion or hobby in your child, they should harness it.
Yeah.
They should promote it. Take them and regularly. उस पे हाथ पैर मारना है. कोई ऐसा सचिन तेंदुलकर माँ के पेट से पैदा नहीं हो जाता. Yes,
Yeah.
he is talented. विराट कोहली,
Yeah.
MS धोनी,
Hmm.
बहुत सारी मेहनत की है. माँ बाप ने भी मेहनत की है और वो बच्चे ने भी मेहनत की है.
Correct.
तो दोनों तरफ से ताली बजनी चाहिए.
Right. Now you have invested in so many different से ज़्यादा you own so many different business lines right here in the UAE. What made you feel like cricket में invest करना was the right decision?
Well, I have invested cricket in my social media page or my web page is not for money. Let's be very honest.
Yeah.
As much as I would lie to say that no, if I make money in the future, I'll not be happy.
Yeah.
Currently, I'm living my passion. Maybe tomorrow this media house of Mr. Cricket UAE becomes popular and I get people to invest in it,
Yeah.
showcase their brand. I would be more than happy. But currently, it is a passion. I want to see the first year how it goes.
But do you feel like passion-led projects are also likely to become successful?
Oh yes, very much. It's all about how much effort and time are you giving in
Yeah.
and which market you are in. Now you will say India is a cricket pro market, Pakistan is a cricket pro market, UAE is not so much.
Yeah.
But with time, who knows? Because a lot of international cricket does happen here.
Correct. In fact, UAE has already started to host so many tournaments. Where does that shift have to come? Like, hosting is something they're already doing, but how can they promote cricket culture even more amongst the residents here?
Well, like in schools, they have to make sure that it's a subject given to children.
Yeah.
And in Indian school, so definitely it should be there. Pakistani school, it should be there. Because these Asian countries, they all eat, sleep and breathe cricket.
Correct.
ये होना चाहिए. Plus ground facilities बहुत होना चाहिए. And the weather in this part of the world, unfortunately, 6 months is a bit hot.
Yeah.
Yes, in other countries also, like India, it's hot. But बच्चे जाते हैं, ट्रेन पकड़ के जाते हैं, बस पकड़ के जाते हैं.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे बच्चों को जाने के लिए वो mode of transport is a little difficult.
And ऐसी कोई opportunity है right now in UAE in the cricket space जो लोगों को अभी तक they have not tapped into it.
Opportunities बहुत है. What I want in this part of the world is cricket not be only on the shortest format, whether it is a T10 or a T20.
Yeah.
The more longer format cricket is played, the more the players or a child's temperament is built. And what I mean by temperament is emotional, physical, and mental strength.
Right.
So when you play the smaller format or the shorter format, it's not that your temperament is not built, but the longer format player can play the shorter format, but the shorter format player will find it difficult to play the longer format.
Right.
So it is that vision you need to have to take, because we have, as I said, the infrastructure. It's up to the people who run the show to make sure that we take our country to this place. Because I believe, and I still have that belief, that going down the line 10 years, you might see UAE on the cricketing map as other nations are, like
Yeah.
Afghanistan.
Correct. In fact, the T10 league is something you had invested in years ago, right? अभी कितने साल हो गए उस league को?
More than 7 to 8 years, probably 10 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's still going strong.
Yeah, but T10 is fine.
Yeah.
I want people, the kids here to play the longer format.
Right.
The more longer format you play, there's more chance of you developing as a mature cricketer.
Correct. And
Because T10 or T20 में क्या सिर्फ घुमा के मारना है.
correct.
Test cricket makes you patient, builds your temperament.
And do you
And
Yeah.
Test cricket is what separates the men from the boys.
And do you think the lack of that exposure just puts these people at मतलब एक vulnerability हो जाती है when they go and play other nations, even though they have the talent and skills, they're not able to perform.
Because they have not been exposed. It's about practice makes you perfect. जितना आप longer format खोलोगे.
Yeah.
आज UAE cricket पे talent है, but even in one day we are not able to sometimes play out the full 50 overs.
Right.
Whereas when you play Test cricket, automatically you can easily survive the 50 over cricket and then survive the T20. Yes, T20 today is bang bang cricket. You want to score quickly.
Yeah.
And with IPL and all, luring kids to play or watch the shorter format. But a good cricketer is identified by how good he has played Test cricket, not how good or how much money is made playing a T20 cricket.
Right. You spoke about bang bang cricket, which we're seeing in the IPL today. Do you feel like the fact that T20 is promoted so heavily has influenced the audience also? Like now, audience में वो capacity नहीं है to sit and watch a 50 over
Correct.
game.
I don't blame the audience because it's more entertainment, more
Yeah.
fun, more electrifying, more entertaining. So today, if you ask somebody who's watched the T20 cricket to watch a 5-day cricket, he will not be glued. Person like me might still watch,
Yeah.
but you can't expect the young generation unless he's been trained to it.
Right.
It comes with practice.
So would it be fair to say that the people who are still watching the 5-day test series are true lovers of the game and not as much of the entertainment?
Yes, talk about English cricket, the stadiums are full. Now in India, it's not as full as it used to be
Yeah.
during the times of Sachin Tendulkar, Sunil Gavaskar,
Yeah.
even Virat Kohli. Now people want to see the IPL, all the matches are full.
And if today you were to change 3 things about the landscape in UAE when it comes to cricket, what would they be?
Well, I said the infrastructure is there.
Yeah.
I want more focus on the longer format. If they cannot do 5-day cricket, 2-day cricket, 3-day cricket,
Right.
more matches are played during winters
Right.
because the summers are harsh. You can play this T20 or the shorter format during the summers
Yeah.
because it doesn't take more than 3 to 4 hours. For a T20 or a T10, it takes not more than 2 hours.
Right.
So the longer format to be played during the peak winter, which starts from October till March or April.
Right.
This is one thing I obviously want. Second, there's more marketing of cricket being done because I want even the locals to play cricket. Like football is a
Right.
national game of UAE, and everybody loves football because it's a global sport.
Yeah.
Cricket is played between 10 to maximum 12 countries or 14 countries.
Right.
So cricket also to be marketed. Third, there needs to be revenue given to players who play cricket, enough revenue so that they can make a career out of it.